Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add layers in Canva. So let's say this is the template. Right now, as you can see, it's not that organized. So in order to organize this, all I have to do is there's all other layers, right? So let's right click into this one over here, this option of layer. Let's go to show layers. And here are all the layers that are in this page. So what you can do is you can now simply go on this side and adjust. Like suppose you want this line to be in between or like at the very end. Let it go on the very end, and let's say this you want to be here. Going to be here, then yeah, for example, this photo over here, and to be up, and you want this to be up here, you want to be a little bit up here, so yeah, and I suppose overlapping, just do this. And although this is the background, this means the whole thing. You can also change the background more darker or even lighter. So yes, this is how you add layers in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so you can also mirror, you can also bring forward here. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.